Ebola should be the last thing inside. You need to start with your tongue, licking the clito. But don't rush to slide into the beckles. Just use the tip of the tongue to circle around the clito or biko, or what we call liko. As you're doing that, let your finger play around her nippy. Then just play with the nippy in a way that she will look down at you and say, wow, without saying a word. Guess what? This is when you should take your tongue off the biko. Use your hand to start squeezing the beckles. Squeeze it, play with it, then take the tongue back to the biko. Now that the tongue is back on the biko, just make sure you take the other hand to the yansh. Just be pressing the yansh. Press the yansh. Press the left. Follow with the right.